Hello everyone. Going to use another gadget, a egg separator, and we're going to be doing this on an 8x10 canvas. The canvas is already prepped with a black base, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a dirty pour through the egg strainer. I'm going to use black, Master Touch Neon Purple, Folk Art Purple Flash, Master Touch Neon Blue, Folk Art's Blue Violet Flash, Master Touch Neon Yellow, and Folk Art Yellow Flash. Let's see what kind of combinations we get out of this, what kind of layering we get out of this. I'm going to do a dirty pour. Start with the black on the base of the cup, followed by the neon purple, with the purple flash right on top of that. Then I'm going to put the black over that. Master Touch Neon Blue, a Christmas present for my wife. Folk Art Blue Violet Flash. Then with the black again. And then the Master Touch Neon Yellow. Followed by the Folk Art Yellow Flash. And put a couple more layers of this same combination. It's going to be interesting to see how these neon colors play with the flash. One more layer in. Off with a little more black. Take this egg separator, place it in the center of the canvas. And I'm just going to do a quick pour, just to dump and run. We'll let that paint disperse a little. This is your brain. Let me show you what your brain looks like on drugs. back to the center. Don't want to lose what I've got in this section here. Step back, take a look at it. Give it a quick torch. The neons, when this dries, are going to play really well with the flash colors that were added. Let me give you a quick close-up of what we've got here. You can see the yellows are starting to pop through a little more. Going to be really interesting to see what happens when this painting is dry. But I am happy with what I've got out of this. And I would just like to say, if you haven't subscribed already, please click the button below over here. And if you have not joined the Pourage Posse by Christina Welch on Facebook, please go in and answer the questions and seek approval, and it gives you an opportunity to share your art with other art users in the group. If you see any supplies that you may think you need, you can order them through the Amazon shop below. And if you have any questions, you can always contact us through the Pourage Posse. Just want to say thank you for joining, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.